growing up in Indiana and skiing the big 400-foot mountain that we had in southeastern Indiana. I wouldn't call it a mountain, but it was our mountain. And then coming out to something like a 3,000-foot massive mountain in the Wasatch. It's a big step up, and we both really stepped up our game over the last 2 years. So it's been great to be able to do, because you get a whole different experience at the mountain when you get off the groomers, and you really get to feel what it's like to ski a big mountain. Ooh, look at the wind. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Turned a little too far. Tried to do a big aerial jump turn. That was a bad idea. Ooh, flat light. I'm gonna take this kind of nasty traverse over. Ooh, it's ugly. But it's got a fun little small tree area. And snow conditions have been pretty good, so it should be fairly safe to go through here. It's kind of a cool little spot down below, if you can see that, where all these small little pine trees are popping up through the snow. You can ski right through them. It's a lot of fun. Oh, this is all rutted up. But I like coming over here, get away from everybody else for a minute. Nice. They're having fun. Oh yeah, snow's really good over here. Oh, a little chunked up here. Probably not as good as I was hoping. I know I've been over here before, but I don't remember where this goes. I guess we'll both find out, or we'll all find out. Oh, I remember this area. So right along all these rock signs, first year we skied out here, had my little ski still, came bombing through this area, and got buried up to my neck in snow. Had to literally dig my skis out. It was crazy. That was my first experience in deep powder.
This one looks good. I wasn't really sure where to go by myself because it's a little bit hard to navigate when you're by yourself and not sure what's too steep or what has a cliff. So this looks good though. Glad I came over here with you.
Yeah, it's nice. Like in mountain biking, the term is being pulled in. So like if you're going down a new trail, you follow someone else down that's been down it before, so you kind of know where to go, what's safe, what's not. And skiing's kind of the same way, because the trail could start looking nice and then you end up like this, where it just totally drops off the face of the earth right in front of you. And
especially if it says rocks and cliff, like, you know, it might just be a couple of feet to go around one way or the other and it's fine, but skiing by myself, I don't always know. So I tend to stick with what I know until I learn a new spot.
Do my best to do a Lindsey follow cam here. I think this is the first time she's been down this run. Nice. Oh yeah, so much fun through here. Nice little connector back onto the main run. Wow, the snowcats built some walls. Ooh, snow. Yeah. See if I can get in the trees a little bit here. Nothing for very long, but whoa, got narrow pretty quick. Oh, we just missed another helicopter sitting on the helipad down there. Hoping maybe I can zoom the video in far enough to get a clear shot of it. It's so cool seeing it sit on the roof like that. Let's try and get a little closer shot of it. Someday. Doubtful this year. Probably next year I'm going to do that. I keep hating to put it off, but we've got so much going on this year. I don't know if I want to spend the time or the money on it. It's a tad bit windy up here today.
Yeah.
I guess the storm is coming in finally. Oh yeah, you can see all the snow being blown off the peaks. Well, conditions are worsening. We're gonna make our way down into Mineral Basin. Take a lap down through there, see what it looks like. Phew. Ooh, can't see. Holy cow. That was brutal. Oh man, this is rough. I need my neck warmer on.
Well, it just hurts.
Yep.
Look at all the, like, how bad.
Yeah, this is wild. I've never seen it this rough. Holy cow. They must have been doing a ton of avalanche mitigation over here. Oh, my neck is so cold. That Arctic blast I just had was rough.
I think I'm just gonna go down in here.
Okay. Yeah, let's get off this road. Hopefully the snow's good. The snow's awesome, but I can't see anything. It's so flat. The light anyway. The run's not. Oh my gosh, it's just like completely blindingly flat. Oh man, my neck is frozen. That blast was bad. Oh man. Snow's really good over here, but it is hard to see and it's all wind crusted. It was just calm down here like 30 seconds ago, and now it's like crazy blowing. We gotta get off here. I'd say we got a serious storm coming in. They're forecasting up to like another 2 feet tomorrow, and it's gonna be heavy, wet, dense snow. And I think we're seeing the first signs of the front. There we go. A few good turns. Man, they have been bombing everywhere through here. I've never seen so many black marks. It's good. Needed after a big storm like that. Man, we're about to get hit by some gusts. It's coming up the mountain right now. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's so cold. Oops. Fall. Half my face is frozen. Oh, that's quite a wicked change from being too hot this morning. Oh, I cannot see. I think I need some different lenses for days like this. Wow.
I really just, like, I could not see to make a turn. The wind's blowing like in every direction. And when I stop and have to like go like this, that's never happened before. And not only that, but like I stop to go like this and I look uphill and I see like 6 people doing the same thing.
It was pretty brutal in a couple spots.
Oh my gosh. And then the people that actually were skiing it, like,
Whoa.
snow from them was like, just, you know, little, oh gosh.
Like little
Yeah,
needles.
hurts any, yeah, needles. I can't think of a word. For these conditions, these are a little too hard for me. I can't quite mentally get
Coming down through Old Ladies was awesome. It was just like these little tiny little bumps, but they were just wind crust and you blast right through them. Oh man, it was so good, except when those gusts of wind came up and you couldn't see in front of you and it'd blow you backwards.
Yeah.
Look at it swirling. Wow. You don't see this very often. Jeez Louise. Good snow over here. It's a little after 3. We're dealing with 60-mile-an-hour gusts now, so I think we're gonna head home and call it a day. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, be sure to subscribe. Until next time.